gotta see your face. You know I love to sing in every small town, but now I don't need a lot of presents to make my Christmas bright. I just need my baby's arms wound around me tight. Oh Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. The Christmas tree is ready, the candles all aglow. With my baby far away, what good is mistletoe? Oh Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Please make these reindeer hurry, well the time is drawing near. It sure won't seem like Christmas until my baby's here. Fill my sock with candy and a bright and shiny toy. You wanna make me happy and fill my heart with joy. Then Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Please make these reindeer hurry, well the time is drawing near. It sure won't seem like Christmas until my baby's here. Fill my sock with candy and a bright and shiny toy. You wanna make me happy and fill my heart with joy. Then Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby back to me.
This is one of the big problems with tulip poplars on our property, is that they're rotten in the middle. Almost every one of them. Dolly's checking out the chainsaw. She's just like a child. Dolly, what do you think about it? You want to run the chainsaw? But if you got some new property and you're thinking about leaving some trees, just remember, trees grow. I wish that I could go back 20 years and have thinned this out some more. We thought this would just be a wooded area, but now that we're using it for other purposes, then lots of trees, and the trees aren't little anymore. You really got to be kidding me right now. Well, I've decided to go ahead and cut the poplar that is so problematic with it's one-sided. That means the limbs are all growing on one side. So the weight is on the side toward the outhouse, toward the house, and it's leaning a little bit in that direction. So I'm taking no chances. I have both the come along and the rope and a cable with the tractor, and it should fall in that direction away from everything else.
Silent night, holy night, wondrous star, lend thy light, with the angels let us sing. Alleluia to our King. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born.
No, Dolly D. Come on, Dolly D.